Not sure how good it sounds because it's kind of windy, but I got the radio in. Short shift B&M shifter. I also installed one of these motorcycle went by eBay switches. As you can see, I got the key open and the start works. I hooked up the fan on this switch here from the relay. Got the idea from Tony the technician. He's a YouTuber also. And this little puppy right here, not this one, but this one, I'm saving it for a nitrous future install to activate the nitrous. So far so good. The car's running good. Can go around. See if you can hear because of the wind. Hear the car's running. It's all there. It's all there. Pretty soon I'm going to pull the motor out of that truck, which is a 385 small block stroker, and it's going in this Camaro. Future build for that truck is going to be a 400 small block twin turbo with the 4080, which I already have the 480 built up. Video coming soon. As I keep going, I'll keep adding videos.